So either it may be in the script itself or it may be in the delivery. And you should have at least for every 1 minute there should be a joke. And finally, if the audience they don't laugh, it is not your fault. You are taking honest effort. If they are not laughing for some reason, we don't have to bother. But for our own script, it should be colorful with the highlighter. So these are all the places I'm making wordplay. These are all the places I'm making self-deprecating humor. These are all the places I'm trying to bring in sudden twist. So try to use different kind of highlighters, and then you yourself will feel confident. So and while you are delivering, then you can add more delivery mechanisms to bring in after. So with that, we will conclude the feedback for the two speakers, and I think they deserve a big round of applause. Give a big round of applause. Now we will be getting into the very, very important segment of today's meeting. So discussion with our panelists. So today we have two wonderful champion speakers. So one district champion Toastmaster Adil. So Adil is an entrepreneur plus a trainer, and he used to give a lot of education sessions in the entire district. So much sought after education speaker, and he was the district level champion in the year 2019. Please, Adil, come out here. Then our second panelist will be Distinguished Toastmaster. Distinguished Toastmaster Nagaraj. He is a army veteran, and today he is a fitness guru. And he has been not only a humorous speaker, he is also a humorous speaker mentor. So we have a lot of things to ask him. So please put your hands to welcome Division Director, Division Director. So the first 10 to 15 minutes, myself and Karthik will ask some typical questions, and after that we'll also open the floor for audience. So if you have any questions, please make a note, and then these two gentlemen are here to answer your questions.
To start with, what was your topic? Maybe give it to the audience. Both of you participated in this thing. What was your topic, and what do you talk about? Subject on your subject to the audience.
Can I start? Mine was about my grandma's belief system. She used to believe a lot of superstitious things, so how it affected me and how I responded to it. So that was my topic.
Mine was about the external disturbances created by somebody sneezing. In fact, it happened in the real life with a close relative. That was an irritating situation. But later on, when I told the same incident to some of my relatives, they started laughing. Then I thought this is a right thing for the humorous speech. Then I selected. One of my project was about humor. Keep it humorous or something like that. I used that theme in that speech for the sake of humor. And incidentally, even though it was appreciated, the evaluator pointed out that you shouldn't have brought your relative. Okay, otherwise it was okay. Then I changed that character as the friend of my wife. Then I delivered that. It worked. So sneezing was the theme.
Maybe we'll talk about one of the important aspects of Nagarajan's speech. Okay. And before that, Adil, are you a humorous person? Maybe before contesting, or even now, if I ask you, are you a humorous person?
I wouldn't say I'm a humorous speaker. I'm a humorous thinker. I think a lot, but I don't speak. I'm an introvert. Whenever I see some incidents or see some people, my mind will be giving me 100 comments, but I used to tell only one word or one line. I'm in between, in the middle of that.
The question here is, even I observe from you, always when you go on stage, you are a different person, but when you sit and speak, you are a different person. Okay, that is why I'm asking. Say there are a lot of people who will be thinking, no, I'm not a humorous person, I'll not be able to speak. For them, what is it you will say? Considering your as a speaker.
For them, I would say Toastmasters humorous speech is one of the most easiest thing, because anybody can say. There is one example movie quote. In movie Sandana will say, Vijay's movie na திருடனா இல்ல நம்மள திருடனியா மாத்திக்கிறோம். So you need, if you want to be a stand-up comedian, you need to be a spontaneous person, humorous person by nature. But to deliver a Toastmaster humorous speech, I would definitely not say you need to be a humorous person. Anybody can deliver.
I have the same question.
I was known as a humorous person right from my school days. So whenever anything happens in my school, 5-6 people used to sit around me and we used to make fun. There also the speech competition, singing competition, everything happens like in school also. So that time as an audience we used to sit and I keep commenting on the performer. So people used to laugh me and I watch movie and explain that story in a humorous way. So right from the beginning I happened to be by nature I was a humorous person. And I was also in Air Force. So Air Force those days this type of TV all those things was there. Only Doordarshan was there. And channel 1, channel 2, channels were there. Other than that, so we used to conduct variety program repeatedly by different people. Bengalis will conduct Durga Puja, Malayalis will conduct one, and we Tamilians conduct on the name of Pongal we conduct program. So I used to deliver skits. So it was so famous that people from different community also invite me. So by nature I was a humorous person. But only as I became older and slowly I started becoming serious. So only
And now you have become division director, you have to be little more serious.
no, even otherwise as I became older, I started becoming silent. But this humor Toastmaster gave me a lot of opportunities to exhibit my hidden passions.
So one